How y'all doing? We is in Wally World. Wally World. On the tour aisle. Why we on the tour aisle, I don't know. Yeah, they back there playing on the tour aisle. We been Walmart hopping like crazy looking for a game. Say hey vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Hey, say hey Seed Chronicles. Seeds Chronicles. What you say you get for Valentine's Day? A chicken box. Who gonna do it? How he gonna do it? He know how to cook. Oh Lord. The chain wing ain't gonna do that.
Okay, you gotta buy the heart, take the chocolate out, because I don't like the chocolate.
Oh, so that's what you told him you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, she already planning her Valentine. We need to take family pictures.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. We ain't had no family pictures in a long, long time. Where he at? Yeah, mine always disappearing on us. Like, where he at? Lord, where he at? Let me find him, y'all. I'll be back. Hey, y'all. I just wanted to come on here and give my condolences to the Bryant family and all the other family that was on the helicopter with him. It was just so sad to hear that Kobe had passed. Even though I don't watch basketball like that, but I knew of Kobe because everybody talks about him all the time. But to hear that his baby was on there with him, it just did something to me because he really died twice yesterday. Like, knowing that there's nothing he can do to save his child or save anybody else on that plane. Like, my heart just really hurted for him and his family. I just can't imagine losing a child. Like, whew, that just did something to me, y'all. To just hear all the news that was going on yesterday. I'm just saying. But I just want to sit up a prayer for Vanessa and her 3 girls, his other family as well. I want to send up a prayer for all the other people that was aboard the helicopter as well. It's just sad, like, literally, you on that helicopter and you looking at your child, just knowing that there's nothing you can do or help them. That's why I was like, I was real hurt yesterday, you know. And then my baby, she was like, it was on her mind a lot yesterday. She even woke up terrified this morning, like, But all I want to say is keep Vanessa lifted up right now, because I know she needs it. I know her and her kids need it. Like, I just can't imagine losing my husband or my kids. There's no more words. I can just, I don't want to cry because I can just imagine how she's feeling right now due to I'm still grieving my mom. Just imagine her grieving her husband and her child. just wish I could just give her a hug, like just hug her, like whew. We was riding down the road yesterday when the news came across when I looked at my phone. I was on Facebook, and I told my husband, I said, Kobe Bryant died. They said he passed away. And my husband was like, oh, don't believe that. Don't believe nothing on there. But then when I was like, TMZ posted it. TMZ posts everything. TMZ posts stuff that they shouldn't even post, because simple fact that sometimes the family members hadn't even got the news, and TMZ already to put it on the internet. Like, seriously, come on, y'all, have some respect. And I was looking at some people comments yesterday saying that they was talking about how Kobe wasn't the only person that was on that plane. It was other families on that plane. But y'all have to look at it, and they didn't release the people's names on the hadn't released the other people's name, probably because they hadn't even told their family what had happened. So y'all have to respect those people for not posting those other people that was on the helicopter names yet. Like, seriously, wouldn't nobody you wouldn't want to find out that your family member passed through the internet, would you? No, you wouldn't. You'd rather for somebody to come and tell you. You wouldn't want to go on social media and say, and see that your mom or dad or sister or somebody done passed away. So y'all have to show respect to the families. Like, Kobe was a star. Kobe was well known, and the other people on there probably wasn't well known as much as Kobe was. But I wouldn't want to find out through the internet that one of my relatives done passed, especially my mom, dad, my husband, my sister, or my kids. Like, come on, y'all. But all I can say is I prayed last night. I prayed for their, healing. It's gonna take time. You don't heal overnight for something like this. It takes a while. It's been 6 months since my mama gone, and I still barely can say her name, because every time I say her name or talk about my mama, I start crying. So it's gonna take a long time for her to heal, especially with her losing her child and her husband. That is so sad. That is so sad. So sad. Y'all, I'm like still in shock. I am still in shock. Like I said, I didn't watch basketball like that, but I knew of Kobe from people around me watching Kobe and talking about Kobe Bryant. So I knew him. I knew how well he was at playing basketball. And looking at his daughter, she played just like him. Like, she was following in her father's footsteps. And then the baby was just 13. And I look at, like, I have a 13-year-old. My baby is 13. I just couldn't imagine. And Lord knows, I pray that you don't take them away from me like that. Like, no. But that's all I wanted to come on here and talk about today. I would have uploaded yesterday, but I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't talk about it yesterday because I was so in disbelief. Like, everybody was in disbelief. Everybody in this world was in disbelief. Couldn't believe Kobe was gone. Still can't believe Kobe's gone, nor his child. But like I said, I just want to come on here and y'all prayers for Vanessa and family, or all his family, because they lost a legend. Like, they lost their son. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And I love all of you. Even though I hadn't met y'all, I love every last one of you. So keep that in mind. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.